Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be talking about Hurricane Iota here. It is a very powerful storm, very powerful. We're just going to wait for, we are just going to wait for this to load. And as we can see, it is getting very fast rotation in its low level rotation. It's getting some very fast rotation in there. Looking very healthy with that, then just coming in like that. And then let's move that down. Then we could see the center right there. So it's very healthy. You can see that very fast rotation around the system. A very fast rotation. It is looking very healthy. And let's go ahead and check out the intensity. Cold front's about to hit us. Another one. So, hurricane tracker. Iota, it's still category 1 by 85 miles an hour, and it is strengthening very fast. It is making landfall in almost the same spot as Iota, and it is strengthening very fast. If we look at the historical tracker, let's go ahead and look. So, as we can see right here, 75 miles an hour, 1 a.m. So, 9, okay. And then 80 miles an hour, and 85 miles an hour. So, it's strengthening 5 miles an hour every update. So, here's 70. That was the last time I checked. Last night, 60, 70. Strengthening very fast. And how fast is it moving? Not that fast. It's moving pretty slow. And at the landfall, it is supposed to be still pretty slow for that kind of rain. We're going to get a lot of rain in Nicaragua and Honduras. And it's just going to be a mess down there. It's almost getting tiring at this point. Let's go ahead and check out the forecast models here. Let's check out HWRF and 980, 978, 969. So it's almost a certainty of a major hurricane. So it has it weakening just a tiny bit before landfall. But it's still going to be a powerful storm. If we look at the current storms, sorry I'm yelling a lot. It's early in the morning. Sorry. As we can see, not many models breaking it up into category 4. Probably because it hasn't updated since 6 a.m. So we'll see that. But 80 miles an hour would be right here. I think they have it at 80 miles an hour. Well, they have it. Some models have it going straight down, like the forgot what model that is. The ship's model has it going up to category 4, then kind of lingering around at category 1, probably in the Eastern Pacific. But that isn't likely to happen. But it is the ship's model. Yeah. So we have a bunch of hurricane warnings here in Nicaragua and Honduras. Tropical storm warnings on the outside of that, of course, always. And major hurricane status, we have hurricane watch around the islands, then tropical storm warning in the island. It's going to be a day, okay? It's going to be a crazy couple of days here. major hurricane circling very fast, coming in here. It's moving quite slowly. And if we look at a 50 millibar vorticity, we can see that it is looking good for the system. It has a very round center of vorticity. Let's check out the wind shear. And look at that. Virtually no wind shear. The only thing that could stop this thing from becoming a category 4 or 5 even is Iota placement. And the exact track says right there, 5-mile-an-hour shear. It's just the perfect conditions in the Caribbean, and we don't want to see that. That's where it's going to be heading, straight in that 5-mile-an-hour. Of course, it could change, but it's looking to stay like that. 5-mile-an-hour right here, then 10. So it's a big area, and it's doing amazing here. If we look at the look at that, the remains. Anyway, if we go back, I can go straight to here. Okay, so Hurricane Iota. Then we can choose type, and then we could go visible shortwave. So it's very beautiful. It's just not going to be good for Nicaragua and Honduras. Look at that. That is. Yeah. Whew. It's going to be a time. I wouldn't be surprised if we get thousands of deaths at the end here of 2020 in Nicaragua and Honduras. Center right about there. It's a beautiful rotation. Look at that. It's a beautiful storm, but it's not going to be good. It almost looks like Teddy. Teddy was also a very beautiful storm. Very beautiful. Anyway, so just stay safe in Nicaragua and Honduras. You guys are going to go through a lot in the next coming days, and it's going to be rough. It's going to be very, very rough for Nicaragua and Honduras. But we can check out one more model here, which is the GFS. And let's move it out. Prepare now for a Category 5 landfall. Always be over-prepared. Of course, GFS hasn't making that landfall at 971. That is not going to happen. The GFS has just been down on the storms when they actually form. It's going to make landfall at around 940, I think. At around 940. I'm not trying to hype it or anything. I'm just saying that it's going to be tough. It's going to be rough. You guys are definitely tough down there in Nicaragua and Honduras. Definitely tough, but just stay safe, prepare now, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.